Hello, in this video I will show you what I've built from two Meshtastic kits which I've bought from Seeedstudio. Here we can see the Vaio L1. It comes with GPS and an e-ink display. There's also a version with OLED display, but this one is the e-ink one. And I 3D printed a case for it. The next one over here is the ESP32 kit, which I put on a breadboard. Also added an OLED display and a LED for notification of incoming messages. Now we go over to the blue one and can use the button to send a predefined message. So let's confirm, and we look over here and it's lighting up and we see new message. You can click the button and cycle to the message screen and can read the message. So thank you for watching. Bye.